Hi everyone, this is Mindset Successful Coach Laudiaann here. What you see is a meditation board that I have created for myself. It's positive thoughts and affirmations. And what I usually do is I take this board, guys, I play some background music, whatever state of mind to get into a deep meditation, and I read one of these affirmations one at a time. So, for example, I am building my future. I am building my future. So I would say at least 5 times. And I would really, really close my eyes, meditate on it for a while. And then when I'm actually feeling it, then I would go to the next one. See, I'm choosing to have an amazing day. And just meditating on that 5 times or more while you're doing meditation is actually going to create your day. It's going to reset your mind, and you're going to feel that whatever you have said to yourself, that particular affirmation is going to happen for you that day because you're really actually believing it. It's the same way as believing, let's see, right here. Money flows through me effortless. Money flows through me effortless. So if you would confess money affirmations, guys, and believing and really truly inside of you, in your subconscious mind, is actually going to automatically reset, and whatever positive things you are thinking of, it's going to come to pass. All right, it always does. It always comes to pass, whatever you are believing. And then you're going to see things happen in existence because of what you are believing for, and whatever you are thinking of, pondering on, it always comes to pass. Now, in reverse, if you're thinking negative, of course, what happens when you're thinking negative all the time? It always comes to pass. You'll never go anywhere, and you're always going to be a state of negative, and you're never going to amount to get out of it because your mindset is not right. All right, it's the same thing of thinking positive thoughts. All right, positive thoughts is going to reset your mind back into who you really, really are. Whatever your dreams are, whatever your hopes are, whatever you are believing for, and you want to tap in to those confessions of your faith, because it's faith that's an action, and what you believe inside, if you make it so real and evident in you, guys, you will not have no problem but walk in prosperity, walk in life and abundance and more. And whatever you're confessing, it's automatically it's like when you're driving a car. And of course, you're learning how to drive a car, you know how to shift, and you know how to put it in gear, and automatically it's just, you're not going to even think about it. It's just going to happen. It is the same thing with affirmation. It's the same thing of confessing your thoughts and being in a positive state of mind. Okay, if we actually practice and exercise and retrain and reset our mind into thinking those things, it's going to come to pass. It's amazing how we confess in our minds and what we believe. All right, and this board is going to help you build your self-image. It's going to help you believe in yourself more, and it's going to actually allow you to see how important you are to take big actions and big plans for your big future, and believing on those to come to pass, because this is a guidance to help you to continually not quit, not give up. But if you continually to meditate on these affirmations, and if you make a positive affirmation board, I suggest that you guys do that, because it's going to help you become more and more successful, and for you to bring down the gifts that God in store for you, which I know that everyone has a special gift inside that God has placed in your life, whatever you do, what's best, that is your gift, guys. So these affirmations are going to really help. So I hope you guys build an affirmation board and take my advice. This is a great exercise. And so challenge yourself, do one today, make one, and get excited, because from here on, I'm going up. I'm never going to go down. All right, guys, don't give up, don't quit, persevere, have patience, and let's go.